What's up guys, it's Andrew from 4Runner Customs. Today we're back with my lovely Toyotas and we're going to be replacing the mass airflow sensor on my 06 4Runner. Now what this MAF sensor does is it calculates and regulates the airflow going into the engine of the vehicle. Now there were a couple reasons that I knew the MAF sensor needed to be replaced. The first one was my car had some trouble accelerating. It was really shaky and inconsistent when accelerating. And also my check engine light turned on and it threw the P0174 and P0171 codes, which basically told me the system was running too lean. So to gain access to the old sensor for replacement, you're first going to need to pop your hood and raise it to get access to the engine bay itself. From there, you need to locate and remove the two nuts that hold the engine cover in place. These are 10mm nuts. They can be easily taken out with a socket. All you need to do is unscrew them and pull them straight back. And from there, you can remove the engine cover itself, like seen in the video. So now that the engine cover is off, we can locate the sensor itself as seen here. It's held on by two Phillips head silver screws, and then of course it's attached to this wiring harness here, which you just pull back to remove. So now grab your screwdriver and take off the two silver Phillips head screws. Now you are going to reuse these for the new sensor, so hold on to them for later. But just to pull and wiggle, this thing comes on out. Now these things don't have to look broken to be broken, so make sure to do appropriate testing if you're troubleshooting your vehicle. So putting the new sensor in is just as simple as taking it out. All you have to do is drop it back into place, make sure the screw holes line up, and then from there you can take your Phillips head screws that you saved from earlier, put them into this new sensor, plug it up, and you're ready to go. From there you can replace your engine cover, refasten the nuts onto the bolts holding the engine cover in place, close your hood, and you're pretty much done. Now I would suggest clearing the codes on your dash if you have any, and cranking the vehicle and just making sure everything is working right, making sure that mass airflow sensor is working properly. And from there, you should be good to go. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to get a grill like one of these, check out our website, 4runnercustoms.com, link in description. Thanks.